Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to connect Spotify to another phone. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to simply launch your Spotify application. Make sure that you are using the latest version of this application. Now, what you want to do here is go to the top left corner and click your profile. Under profile, you will see their settings and privacy. So you have to tap that one. And then here you just have to simply scroll down and look for that option that says connect to a device. Okay, so tap this one here. Now, once you tap this, it will take you directly to your current device. So below here, you will see start a remote group session, listen with friends in different places. So what you want to do next is to simply click this one or this plus button here. Now, once you tap that, you will see an option that says invite up to 7 friends. So what you want to do here is to simply click invite friends and it will take you directly to this where you can see different social media platforms, and all you have to do is to simply copy this link or share this directly to any of your friends on WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Twitter, SMS, Facebook, and more. So that's it. When they tap this link, then it will take them directly to your Spotify, or you can listen to this music together. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.